Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For you who are new, I'm John, CIO and founder of VSHR Group. I got this question from many times from many people that, John, why do you really need to start a YouTube channel? Why are you really doing this one? Does it make sense to you? I mean, why do you spend some time to doing such a lot of work to create a channel? You could do many other things. And I decided that I want to make a video about this one to help everyone to understand, because it's really connected to anything we want to do in our life. It needs to start with that particular thing, and I hope that through this video I want to share with you that how I really get it started. So if you wanted to get started any podcast or any business or any career or any courses or even YouTube channel, it can help you out too. So let's get started. All right,
after working like last 15 years in IT field, this is what I realized. What is IT?
Sure. Thank you.
So let's give a big hand to these student leaders to bring the training to you. Why don't you give a big hand to them?
So to get a YouTube channel, it's very important that I had to ask myself, what is my why? So as an example, it's not about just a YouTube channel. Let's say you want to start up a new business. You have to find out why you really want to do this one. Or like an example, if you want to take a course, you need to find out why you really want to do this one too. Or let's say example, if you wanted to go for a relocation in your area, you should be asking why you want to relocate yourself. So here's the point, that it's so much important that when you wanted to start this why, if you can find out a bigger purpose of that one, that will really drive you to get things forward. Because whenever you want to achieve something, it's most of the time ourselves, we normally underestimate the amount of effort is needed to make it successful. And this just we are. Most of the human beings are programmed for that one. We always underestimate the short-term goal effort estimation. And that's why it actually make us quite difficult after a while that we see that we are not there where we're supposed to be. And that becomes a big problem. So it's so much important how to tackle this problem is to find out a greater why. So like second example, you want to start up a new business for why? Because you want to get more money, you want to make more money, or why you cannot find a job. I mean, that's a nice why, but if you could set up your why is much bigger, that will be a lot more highly, could be something inspire you more to even doing consistently, because you actually put a lot more effort than what you initially estimating to make it successful. Is to, let's say, a bigger why. Like an example, yes, I want to start up this business because I want to solve that problem into that industry. I have seen a lot of people are suffering because of that problem. So that's why I want to start a business. Let's say about why I want to start up to build an app, because I see that one, if an app is needed for that community, and if you could build this one, I can improve the communications for our community a lot more. I could turn the communication cost to 20% lower. I could reduce the waiting time by 80%, so people doesn't have to wait, and people can able to send out the documents way faster. And also I can reduce the cost of that one too. So that's the way you have to find out a bigger why. If you don't find a bigger why, you will not be able to be that long consistent to make it really successful. Such an example for me. For me, creating a YouTube channel and creating videos at 9 or 10 p.m.s after doing all the works of my career and my groups, I open up. Like an example, now I'm shooting it's almost 10 p.m. You can see the back. It's dark out there. So in this one this is the success booster card time. So question of the day. What is your key takeaway of this video so far? Go ahead and comment below the answer. We'll love to see what is the key takeaway. Science said that when you take up a key takeaway and note it down somewhere, you had a 35% chance to be actually doing it in your life to make it value out of it, which is amazing, right? But hang on, 35% is not enough. You need more, and this is the way I'm going to tell you how you can really make it happen. When you make a set of action, a plan that goes to from 35 to 91%, you can really make it happen in your life. So here we go. So from the key takeaway, what is the key action plan you're going to take, which is you learn from the video to your life, make a plan and commit it in publicly and commit into it. And that's what's going to make sure that you got 91% red that is going to really happen to you. Will be able to make it happen and become successfully achieve your goal. And here's the last possible hack. When you announce something, a plan publicly, your 91% goes to 94% to really make it happen in the real life. So go ahead and comment below your plan in the video sections. We would love to see your plan, and we are 100% reply every comments in our channel. So we're going to see your plan, we're going to comment it, we're going to give you a feedback, and we're going to consult you to help you to make your plan to a reality. And that can go to up to 100% reality happens to your life. And that's how you get your action, key takeaway to action plan to success to your life. And you know what? We're also sitting down here to help you and celebrate your success with you. So what are you waiting for? Let's go back to the video, finish it, and we're looking forward to see your action plan. And let's make it happen to your life, because you can do that, right? All the best. Don't forget to make your plan, okay? Don't forget to make your plan. See you soon. So you can see this one. There's a purely dark out there because it's almost 10 p.m. So being a CIO, my hourly rate is way much better than actually creating a video like this. But why really I'm doing into this one is because I love making videos. I love create legacies when I'm not there, because I just felt like when I'm going to conference, meeting a lot of people, but it's just a blink I can meet them, but then I cannot meet them and I cannot leave my something on there because the conference is finished. I'm going to come back home, everybody going to go home, and it's done. But when I'm creating videos like this and putting on in the internet, so people can keep watching into it, and that valuable time when I'm doing it right now can be used as a multiple time. A lot of viewers can see it anytime, and it will be available at any time as well too. And second thing is I love making video actually. I love editing video. I like to see the video and because the creativity of the video and the message giving of the video is such an inspiring thing to me. I love creating video. Even like an example, when I was a university student, I made a videography and I was making different kind of small dramas. I was creating different documentary films. I didn't have a great DSLR camera at that time. Camera was really expensive. So I had a pretty simple camera with my phone, and I was shooting it with my phone. And that was like a really weak camera as well compared to now what you have in your phone. Compared to what you have in your phone, it's probably a million times stronger compared to what I used to have. So I love that, creating videos and editing videos and play with this content and seeing that one. And then I realized that I like to train those skill set about editing videos, about production quality and editing the skill set. So when I recruited a team for video editing, I love training them, and I still have to go training with them. I love spending time with them and give them different tips what we can improve in terms of video. So now as we're making a lot of videos, the teams are also learning, I'm practicing, we're experimenting a different kind of thing, we're making small mistakes. When we go back, when we're solving things together and we're finding a better way to giving messages to. So that's really inspiring me too as well. And the second thing is I realized that when I found VSHR Group, I was organizing different kind of workshop to train our teams. And then I realized that very soon that, these workshops is not going to help me because I'm doing full-time job. Every member doing their full-time jobs, and then organizing a workshops, putting the time of getting the project things done, which is really challenging, and doing an offline workshop is way too more cost effective. So that moment I start creating different kind of videos to train my teams, and that picked up. It's like 6 years back, and then my whole this video making things of practicing things turned into a training to my team through my video, and it's still going on. Like an example, like the video you're watching right now is actually belong to our everyday one new skill, and my video library was to train my team, but last year, if you look at the channel about, it was created last year. Now you're 2021, last year means 2020, in October. When I got hit by one of the question of my mentor was saying that, John, you're creating so many videos. Why do you creating this video? Training them. Training people. I like to upskill people. That was my answer. He said that, so then why your videos are not public? Why not everybody cannot use that one? And that was really struck my mind. I realized that, yes, actually I wanted to empower people. So why do I have to start this whole video for myself? And then I go back and we created the channel and start putting the content from the day one. And this content you are watching right now, this all content are being practically used by VSHR Group, onboarding programs and offboarding programs, training, upscaling, different departments people are working on. They use this video for that one. So this, and then I just wanted to open this one for everyone so that you are watching right now means you also seeing this video and you can get some value and you can use it even you are not working with me or working with VSHR. Maybe you're working with someone, but you can use the skill set to become successful what you're doing in whatever you are, in whatever level you are working as an entrepreneur, as a professional. And that's the pleasure I want to get, that I could help you. I could help you through this video so you can learn and something new and which you can use to get your career things forward. And this is a really great way for me to battling my own ego down and put my selfishness out of me rather than just giving only for my people. Then I can open up for everyone. And so that is my why. So that's why I can at 10 p.m., 11 p.m. I can still open the camera, sit down here and shoot the video like this one right now. And you can see that most of the video has been shot in nighttime. Like 90% video has been shot in this channel is actually in the nighttime, which I finish my work, come back home, get my dinner, do other works to be done, and maybe 10 p.m. I start shooting. And that's how it's going on. So like that, the way that when you are starting something, a business, or starting a new courses, or new career, or joining a new industry, or you set up a goal, always find out your why. And the bigger why you can find it out, the longer you're gonna last in that pursuit. Because anything we want to do in our life, it requires consistent focus and consistent effort, and we have to learn through from a lot of ups and downs. But because example, when you set up a goal from here to go over there, in the way there will be millions of things will try to take you off. So that means you need to fight back with all those things and really go to your goals. And that will only happen when you set up a big why. And it should be only about you. It should be you and all the people around you, and then it has the best possible opportunity to go there. So here you go. I got my sharing that why I created the YouTube channel. And if you're looking for finding your big whys, I'd love to give you a advice on that one too. So go ahead and comment below what aspect of what bigger why you are trying to find it out. If you have a bigger why already in your mind, go ahead and comment below in the video. I'd love to see your contacts, love to see your comments, and love to interact with you and probably become your friends. And if you have any question about this video, go ahead and comment below too. Like we said this one on our channel, we provide 100% response to every comments and request. So if you put a comment there in the below, definitely get a response from us. So here you go. Now today you know why we're doing this YouTube channel, and use this one to find your bigger why so you can become successful to what you want to achieve. All the best.